Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone for a few weeks now. I was just taking a break. I know that I was sick 1 week, and then next week I had some cavities I needed to get filled. So my jaw was like a little swollen and sore for a few days. So I really just took a break, but now I am ready to get back into things. And I have an exciting video. Ta-da! I have an exciting video today. Okay, so we are going to be jumping into the Boxycharm box. So this shape is a bit different than our regular shape. I haven't looked at any like spoilers or anything like that. I have no idea what I am getting. So I'm gonna take my little scissors here and then cut open. And if you guys are new here, if you guys don't mind to hit that subscribe button and like this video, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to see when I upload more videos. Alright, so Boxycharm is a monthly subscription of $21 a month, and it's beauty products as well as some skincare products. You do get full-size items, and yeah, I think that's it. Okay, so let's dive into this box right here. Let's see. Then it has like stuff where you can follow them on. Hello, Charmers. Ooh! A lot of colorful things. Okay. Oh, I'm excited about a couple of these things here. Okay, so they give you a card. This month's theme is Make Waves. So they give you a card, and then on the back it tells you what you got, also the prices of what you have too. So the first thing I am pulling out, if you guys can see that, it is Oriza Beauty. I'm not familiar with this brand at all. I think this is like I think it's like a lip gloss. Oh, that's pretty. So if you could see, I can't really tell, but it's like super glittery. Mostly like gold, peach, like a peachy gold, I would say. This one retails for $14, and it is like a top lip gloss type of thing. Okay, so next we have I Lust Cream Eyeshadow. Oh, okay. Okay, it's like a purple type of thing. I'm not really sure if I'll wear this for an... Oh, that is actually so pretty. But I usually don't wear purple eyeshadow. Let me see. Whoa, that is intense. My light is like reflecting on it really bad. There we go. There we go. It reflects like a green. It has like a green cast over it. Like a yellow green. You can't really tell. And this retails for, is this Ciate London? Okay, Ciate London, this retails for $22. Oh, okay. We have the Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. Yeah, that's all it says. I am so excited. I love the like Glam Glow Mud Mask in their face products. So, oh, you do get like a huge tube. Well, these are full-size products, but this is really big. Let me see. Let me have this. I don't really it doesn't really smell like anything. It says apply to wet face, gently massage evenly in circle motions, rinse well and pat dry. Use daily as desired. So this is just like a regular cleanser, I'm guessing. Yeah. And this guy retails for $28. I'm so excited to use this actually. Really, really excited. Cannot wait. Okay. So, I knew they were gonna do this. Like, okay, so you get this like a Pure Cosmetics eyelash curler. These are always good to have in your makeup bag. These are really, really nice. Yeah. This retails for $18. That's expensive. That's expensive. Okay, I'm so excited about this palette because I really enjoyed the first palette she did. And this is the Alama Cosmetics Blush Trio. Oh. The Blush Trio palette. Now, I enjoyed her eyeshadow palette a lot. And I knew she came out with another eyeshadow palette, but I did not know she came out with a blush palette. But this is so cute. Oh my goodness, this is so adorable. You have like your peach, like peachy color, your like a pinky color, and then like a real pink color. So let me swatch these. Ooh, these are super soft. Okay. And I'm just gonna swatch it in the back of my hand, or like, oh my god. I don't know if I should do it like. So that's like the peachy color. That's like the pink. And that's like the reddish pink color. Okay. Alright. And this does retail for where is it? Oh, this retails for $22. Okay, now let me see, what time do I have? So the total of my box came out to $104.99, which is really not bad since I only paid $21 for the box. There's just a couple of things I'm just kind of not really excited about. Is just these two, like the lip gloss. I think it's a little too glittery for me. The eyeshadow, liquid eyeshadow, not really my color. And yes, I get it. I know boxes are not gonna please every single person, but yeah. I don't know what to say after that. I'm really excited. I'm really excited to use this, and I'm also pretty excited to use these two things. And also, why not? This too. I have like about 3 of these already, so adding a new one to my collection, I guess. I don't know. It for my video. So if you guys I I will put my link down in the description box below so you guys can go check out Boxycharm if you are interested in this month, or if any items stand out to you that you really wanted to try or something. I don't know. I will leave my description down below so you guys can go ahead and click on that. Also, that is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like this video. Thank you so much. Bye.